Oh yeah, sure. Morning, B. Good morning. Guys, Daddy is having breakfast in bed. I gave him breakfast in bed. He is having breakfast. And good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Good day and kumusta? And mabuhay. Welcome to our channel. So guys, this morning I will show you our watermelon we picked from the farm. So that's that one. And also, I cannot see because I don't have glasses. Alright, let's vlog. So this bread in my hand is buy one, free one. So let's go. I needed to open the house. Okay, let's go na tayo guys. Let's go down. Alright guys, let's do this. I'll just turn on the lights. And let's just get a camera holder. It should be right. Alright. The CCTV is turning on. Okay, good morning everyone.
Alright guys, good morning. Okay, start of our day. And I look so pale. So, I have a lipstick here in the cabinet. And I will put a lipstick because I'm so pale. And guys, okay na yan. A little bit. And I have no eye bug because I sleep early every night. So, the eye bugs are eliminated, guys. No more eye bugs. Okay, I'm gonna put away our bread. I'll put it in the fridge. And I got this Chucky. So you can put in the fridge. I just put it like this with this plastic so it doesn't. This is so tiny, and Daddy said the watermelon I give some to the lady. I don't know if I want to. Okay na. That one, that's soup. What do you call that soup? It's a bangus. This one I ate last night, and we have I make adobo. This guys, I make adobo chicken, and we got the Chucky. I'll just put the Chucky here because we don't have enough, guys, space, and we have eggs here. So these eggs I will then lang. I need to get this off. Okay na. And then I bought 2 corned beef for the store, for the house. Uy, nabalik. For the house storage. So I will put it here. Ito guys, may mga noodles ako dito. Napakadami. This is for emergency.
So ayan guys, nagluluto tayo ng adobo this morning. Ayan, so we have adobo cooking here. Ano na yan later. Tapos magluto ako ng rice. Ayan. Yung fried rice ko to ang remaining. Tapos magluto ako ng fresh na rice. Yeah. So, ayan guys, I try to really enjoy the house na in-build ko. para sa sarili ko, sa asawa ko, at sa mga anak ko pag namamasyal sila dito. This is a home for me. Hindi ito design ang bahay for other people, but it is designed for us. Ito ang happy pill ko kasi, syempre, I'd love this kitchen to be bigger, pero hindi na kasi na-achieve ko na yung big kitchen doon sa taas, sa third floor. So, okay na ako dito. At least may gagamitin lang ako dito sa baba. Diba? Binigay ito ng friend ko sa akin. Akala ko malaki. Pero nagamit din siya, guys. Although na hindi siya masyadong workable, para siyang kailangan para mga shelves dyan siguro sa baba. Hindi ko alam. Hindi siya workable for me. Pero, linalagyan ko na lang ng kahit ano dyan, guys, na nagagamit ko. Nagagamit din siya. So, it is a little bit better. So, sayang kasi stainless steel siya, guys, na napaka-mahal. Sabi ko dapat magamit kasi sayang yung binigay sa akin. Ang mahal pa naman. Kaya I tried to, until now, itinatry ko pa siya na paano ko to i-work. So, naging ganun-ganun lang dyan siya. Pero, it makes sense talaga lahat dyan. Yeah, it makes sense talaga kasi ginagamit namin to, mga ano namin to sa pangluto, mga ganyan. So, natatuhan ko siya ng mga important things in life. Although na, yung iba, hindi na yan dapat nandyan. Linalagay pa. So, yun lang ang ano ko, guys. Ano ko, the way I see things ba, na okay din siya. Nagagamit, which is good. Diba? Ito naman yung mga lalagyan ko kasi ng pangluto. Dapat nasa ano ko kasi, nasa, ano siya, nasa, ano ito, yung dapat nandito siya sa easy reach mo pag nagluluto ka. Ang mga ano ko yan, guys, yan. In order ko yan sa online para na magluto ako madali. So, ayun, ito, mga extra na to, kalat lang to. So, i-anhin ko yan, itatabi. Ito ginagamit ko for vlogging, yung microphone ko. So, I'd like that to be malapit sa kamay ko. So, ito, nagawa na siya ng, lagyan na siya, guys, ng mga pang tapon-tapon dyan. Pero useful siya sa akin kasi if I have something ilalagay ko dito, pagbalik ko nandyan pa rin kasi wala namang tao dito. So, ganun. Yeah. So, nagagamit din siya, which is nice and easy. O, diba? Mahilig ako, guys, mahilig talaga ako mag-ayos ng bahay. Kasi the story is that nung wala pa kaming bahay na ganito noon, nung hindi pa ako nag-asawa, yung medyo nagkaroon ako ng ano na, pag magkabahay ako, talagang aalagaan ko yan. So, that's what I did. Kasi na-notice ko na yun, guys, na kung may bahay ka, ikaw talagang mag-alaga. Walang tao pupunta dyan para alagaan mo dahil maalis na katulong ka. Dito naman, kahit nagkasambahay ka pa, so ang kasambahay mo, ang basic na, hindi din kami sa'yo sa paglinis. Ay, syempre, hindi kayo magka-isa. Walang magkakaisa. So, yun ang nangyari. Kaya dapat, ang ano din natin is mag-hire tayo ng tao, iti-train natin. Dito naman, guys, nahirapan ako mag-train sa kanila. Kasi yung iba, ang bait-bait talaga i-training. Tapos, alam mo na mag-slip off siya one day. Kasi super masunurin. Ako naman, hindi ako nagre-rate sa tao na masunurin kung nandyan ako. Nire-rate ko siya, guys, na masunurin siya kung wala ako. Kung anong ginagawa mo na wala ako, it's very important for me. Huwag kang gumawa ng maganda pag nandyan ako, pag alis ko lahat na katarantaduhan, ginagawa mo. Ang tinatawag na the mouse will play when the cat is away. Ganyan yung ano nila. Palagi ko yan sinasabi noon. Alam nyo, guys, ang bait-bait nila talaga pag nandyan ako sa loob ng bahay. The moment, may CCTV kasi kami, so nakikita ko lahat. Ayaw pa yan kumain. Sabi ko, bakit ito hindi kumakain? Tapos, pag sila na lang, ano na, iba na yung story. Sabi ko, bakit kayo naghihintay na wala ako? Kakain kayo na nandyan ako kasi baka kakain din ako ng mga kinakain nyo. Kasi pagkain ko din yan, di ba? Pero hindi guys, they do their own thing na sila-sila lang. Tapos, pagdating mo para walang nangyari, tapos kikilo sila lahat. Sabi ko mali, dapat pagdating ko hindi na kayo kumikilos kasi dapat nagawa nyo na yung trabaho nyo. Gumawa tayo ng asin dito guys. Sa pink. Standby lang sa asin dito. Yan ang asinan natin. And then I also have another one na asin din. Ito. Na asin din tayo. Tara. Pinuin ko na lang. Tinitingnan ko guys kung ang worker namin dumating na for the day. So, baka wala pa. Tapos, yung ayaw na ayaw ko talaga sa lahat, yung mga boys namin or mga sa lalaki naman na part na pupunta sila dito, lasing. Tapos, halos hindi na makaya yung sarili sa pagtayo. Yun ang ayaw ko. That's not, I don't agree with that. I think that's very disrespectful na ang tao pupunta sa trabaho lasing. Sa Australia pa uuwiin ka. Dito halos hindi na makaya yung katawan. Pupunta sa trabaho para makasahod dito sa bahay para na makasahod ng ano, tapos lasing. So, wala ka, hindi ka conscious, hindi ka complete ang mind mo. Hindi ka, maasahan. later pa.
Because it starts to tired.
Oo, tired pa siya.
Is that my house?
Say bye-bye house. That is Bree's house. Say hi, Anay. Hi to the guys in the video. Hi, guys. I'm Bree.
Is that my house?
That's your house at the back there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your house. Uy, it's very good. Oh, my house. That's si Bree. Hindi namin na Bree, no? You like your house?
It's upstairs.
Oh, see, may upstairs.
My dad with my house.
Ay, aba. It's your house now. You got upstairs and downstairs.
Ako house there.
Ay, aba. Very proud ang kabataan. They understand man, no? That's good. Very good. See? You're just close to Lulay. I'm just on the other side in Montevideo. And you're on the other side, you're in Marapara. Abaw, social. Abre.
And this my house with my papa. Like it. And I go with and it's upstairs.
Ay, aba.
And I know to Saka.
You know how to go upstairs. Wow, very good. Good girl. So Manong will go back to school again today
Yeah.
in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Alright.
And after you lakat.
Alright.
And uncle is here.
Uncle will go later. We will walk around later again after he sleep.
And Sakina, you lakat and uncle will follow you to lakat.
Yeah, he follow us to Lakat. Very good. Damdaman. Damdaman niya. Oh. Hindi na naguro nila malipatan. Pero part na to sa ilang ako. Growing up.
So sound. I
Oh,
need
the road.
glasses.
Yeah, you want glasses? Oh, get one, that one. You wear that one. It should fit you. Yeah, get that one. Okay, try.
And mommy,
Yeah, you open.
I would have Uncle Pink.
Open. You want the pink? Or you want the red one?
I would have Uncle Pink.
That one?
I would have Uncle Pink.
Ang pink
May
lang.
harap na sa pink.
Ariyo.
May harap na sa
Gamay.
gamay.
Ay, ang gamay.
Ang iya, may harap na sa.
But this one
I
is
have
red.
Uncle Pink.
Nag-heart
This one is... Ah, you have the heart. Try this. This is one look nice. Try lang.
It's so big.
No, big lang kayo. This is for big people. Ano ba? Look at Brie. Ay, to all.
big.
That's big.
Glass.
Oo. It's for the kids you want. Right? For the little girls. Yeah.
But I would have Uncle Pink ang dog.
Aha. The little one?
And wala na damo.
Oh, wala na.
And I have Barbie doll.
Yeah, the Barbie doll. You have Barbie doll?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very good. What color? Pink?
Pink.
Pink. I think man si Barbie.
And shall I have purple?
Oo. And do you change her clothes? Si Barbie?
No, you only.
No, only one?
Yeah, ang purple mo make.
Ay, okay. Oo.
Kasi basta iyabayo.
Yeah, that's right. Only one clothes. Very good. Hi, guys. Good afternoon. So, guys, it's raining. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung mga their ducks over there. Tapos yung farm, umuulan, guys. Malakas yung ulan kanina. Hindi tayo naka-prepare. But anyway, okay na. Kasi, malakas lang yung ulan. Yun lang. Pero rather than that, okay naman. Nakaka-survive tayo for the weather. So, nagpagawa ako ng nails ko kay Erika. Ito. Ayan, guys. Tada! Tada, tada! Ayan, yun.
Okay. Kuha muna tayo ng ano.